Hi there, I'm Brian with OneTrust, and welcome to the technical feature enablement video regarding intelligent rules for the Trust Center. The following updates are generally available for customers as of the 2026 02.1.0 release, also known as the 2026 Winter Release. This video reflects OneTrust's current expectations for product capabilities, but dates and features may be subject to change and should not be relied upon when making purchasing decisions. Let's get started. Trust Center portals are an important platform component designed to simplify and scale privacy experiences across your organization and digital channels. These portals can be complex, so the OneTrust team worked to improve the Trust Center and rules experience with a total redesign of how the rules for a portal work, making the rules more clear, easily applied, and comprehensive for the new Trust Center experience. Utilizing these new intelligent rules will help you build engaging customer journeys more quickly and efficiently than ever. You can use dynamic logic to allow you to seamlessly capture user preferences, handle privacy rights requests, manage internal employee consent, and more. Before getting into the details of using the new rules, let's discuss how to copy over a former preference center to the new Trust Center so you can take full advantage of the redesigned rules. We'll hop into a UCPM preference center for an example. Click the ellipsis under the Actions column, select Copy to Trust Center, and then click the Start Copying button within the modal that appears. You'll get notified once the process begins and can check the Trust Center to verify completion once it's finished. Please keep in mind, while this will copy the selected preference center to the new Trust Center, you will need to rebuild the rules based on the improved rules formatting, which we'll go over in just a second in the next chapter. First though, if you don't want to completely copy a preference center, you can just redirect it instead. Go ahead and select Redirect to Trust Center underneath the ellipsis to redirect a portal to a published Trust Center. The modal that appears will ask you to select a published Trust Center or an alternate URL to use. Once selected and filled out, go ahead and click Redirect. You'll see a success message, and then you can check the Trust Center to verify once it's done. To learn more details on copying existing preference centers over to the Trust Center, including considerations to take prior to copying one, there's a link to a supporting article within the description. Speaking of the new rules formatting, let's go over the three main buckets that will be the basis of building your improved rules. Session rules, which are rules that will run once the page is loaded before any users interact with the portal. Live rules, which will run once a user takes a specific action within the portal. And profile rules, which will run once a user is authenticated so that their saved data can be referenced. Now that we've discussed the three main rule buckets, let's go over actually creating your rules. So first, you'll click on the Trust Center button within the General Apps section of the left-hand menu. Once there, you can select which Trust Center portal you'd like to adjust the rules for. Once that loads, go ahead and click on the Rules tab near the top of the page. For your first rules, if you don't have any yet, you'll see the Create Rule button in the middle of the page. For any subsequent rules, you can go ahead and click the Create Rule button in the upper right. Once you've clicked Create Rule, you can go ahead and add a name, and then based on the buckets we discussed earlier, select which condition will trigger the rule via the drop-down within the box. For this example, I'll go ahead and use the session rule geolocation. Then I'll use the drop-downs and selections to create a rule that makes sure to navigate users who are within the Americas to the right page. Once everything is done, I'll go ahead and click Add. If you're ready to publish your new Trust Center rules from here, you can do so from this tab by clicking Publish in the upper right. After you've got some rules created, from within the Rules tab, you'll be able to see quick summaries of the number of conditions and actions each individual rule has, an ellipsis menu where you can edit, duplicate, or delete a rule, a drop-down arrow allowing you to quickly view conditions and actions. This is especially useful for more complex multi-step rules. A simple toggle to turn any rule on or off with a single click. And for those with lots of rules, you'll even see a search bar in the upper right that you can use to easily display any specific rule you have by name. Although the rules have gotten a thorough redesign, you'll also see improved customization and branding options that don't require CSS to enable. Just head to the Branding tab of the portal you'd like to edit. Here, you'll see options on screen for overall brand settings or specific appearance settings. Brand settings is where you can adjust the main brand color, as well as upload any needed logos. In the Appearance tab, you'll see options to edit things like text and page colors, individual customized fonts, headers, buttons, links, and so much more. If you'd like to get a deeper understanding about the improved customization options, there are links to support articles within the description. Thank you for watching this video on the intelligent rules for the Trust Center. Please take a look at our supporting documentation available within the links of the description. Have a wonderful day.